Hello, I am Pankaj. This is a presentation of Get YouTube Subscriber backend Capstone project of almabetter.com. Um, the goal of this project is to create a simple Node application or create a simple API using Node Express and MongoDB. Let's discuss folder structure first of this project. When we start this server using npm start command. Okay, let's check script first. In package.json, there is a three script. Npm start. Using npm start, we start the server in index.js file, and npm dev. Npm run dev is to run the development server using nodemon index.js file, and this is a npm run a create db file. This will create a database on the local system, and this is a npm test. This will run the all test cases of this project. Okay, let's discuss the folder structure first. When we start this server using npm start, so this will run the index.js file first, and this index.js file will connect the server or start the server on 3000 port, and then this will create a database, connect the database using this database URI. This database URI is enclosed in a .env file, and this will access using process.env database, process.env, and then this will go to the app.js file. In app.js, all routes are present in this file. Okay, I make the another file for routes like subscriber routes file. Okay, let's discuss app.js first. In app.js, there is a express course for rendering the index.html file. Okay, here is a home route, get slash. Using this will return the status code of 2202 and send the HTML file to the response. Send the response to the HTML file which is present in client folder. So let's discuss the HTML file first. This is the HTML file which is rendered in home route. Then we go to the routes subscriber routes file. Then in this file there is three routes which is mentioned in almabetter project criteria that it will create a three routes like subscribers, then subscriber slash name, then subscriber slash id routes. In subscribers API endpoint or a route, it will return a array of object having array of object of YouTube subscribers detail, all subscriber details. If it has some error, then it will give us status code of 5000, and it has no error, so it will return a status code of 200 and returns the array of object of subscribers details. Next route is subscriber slash name route, names route. This route will returns a array of object having two field only. There is names and subscribe channel. If it has some error, so it will give us the response status 200, and if not 200, 500, and display the error. And it has no error, it will respond with 200 status and returns the array of object of subscribers details having two field only, name and subscribe channel. Then next is um, route a subscriber slash id routes. In this route we will need to enter some id after slash subscriber, and it will return a all detail of subscribers uh, for the given entering for given id that we enter in this route. If if we enter a wrong id or wrong id, it will give a response. It will returns the response with status code 400 and returns the error message, sorry, you enter wrong id, no such subscriber found in this id. And it has no error, so it will give us the all details of that particular id with status code 200. And then is a model, is a subscriber schema and model, which is a name, subscriber channel, and subscriber date. And then there is a test cases present in this project. All test cases are written. So let's check another file like create database. When we run the command npm run create db, which is present in package.json, as you see, this is, so it will run the create database file and create the database. First it will connect to the database that I enclose in database URI enclose in .env file. It will create a database. It will connect the database and then create the database from the data file data.js. And then after creating database, it's include the refresh all function, and this function will delete the previous all data, create the new data using data.js file, and then disconnect the mongoose server. Okay, let's check all routes in postman first. Let's check a home route first, localhost 3000. As you can see, oh sorry, I'm not starting server yet. So let's start the server first. Pim start. It will run the index.js file first. Okay, okay, server is started. Let's send the get request of home route. Okay, it will return the index.js file, as you can see. Let's take a preview of this file. This is a preview. Let's check the next route. Subscribers. Let's send the get request. This will return the JSON format. This will, as I told in previously, that when we send the get request of subscribers route, it will returns the array of object of all YouTube subscribers detail. Okay, then next is subscriber slash names route. Okay, let's send the request, get request. As I told previously, that when we send the get request to the subscriber slash name routes, and it will returns the array of object having array of object of YouTube subscribers details having two field only, names and subscribe channel. So it will works fine. Then let's check id routes. So we will send the get request of that particular id. Yep, this is working. So when we send the get request of that particular id, it will returns the all details of subscribers. And let's check the error message. Yep, this will work. Message. Okay, let's check the browser. localhost. As I told previously that when we go to the as I mentioned previously that when we go to the home route, this will return the index.js file. As you can see, this will work fine. This is a home route, this is a subscribers route, this is a subscriber slash names route. When we enter the this is a subscriber slash id route. When we enter the id here, this will return the all details of subscribers at particular id. Yep. Let's check a route. Subscribers. This will return the all details of subscribers. Let's check a name route. This will return the all subscribers details having two field name and subscribe channel. And let's check a ID. Can I enter wrong ID? Let's type right ID. Okay. This will return the all details of that particular ID. When we enter wrong ID, it will return the error message having status code of 400. Okay, I'll deploy this on Vessel also. So let's check a Vessel link. This is a GitHub repository of that project. This is a Vessel link. It will work fine. Let's check this is all route. Let's check ID route. It will work fine. Let's check all routes on URL bar. Okay, this will return all details. Let's check a name route. This will return all detail having two fields. Let's check ID. Okay, this will work fine. Let's discuss the another script like create_db. As I mentioned previously that when we run the create npm run create_db command, it will create the database using create database file and data. So we will I have create the new data. So add the new data using this command. Let's check if it is works or not. So database is created and let's check if database is created or not. Yep, this will works. As you can see, the new entries are present in this URL or index.js file. So that's it. Thank you.